Slowly expanding. We look at the directory. Disregard the tarball here, but we have our config file and our cal file and our main program. Previous movie showed how we can take that cal file that's created and restore the calibration area of the EEPROM with it. What we have here is a new function which will take the active or inactive memory areas that are valid, that are formatted correctly, either by the radio or some other program that did it properly. I am seeing a lot of them that are formatted wrong on different radios, but the new feature is save memory. And if I look at the list, now granted the list is only showing the active memory areas, but I have inactive memory areas as well, which are formatted correctly, but they're not on the active list, so you can't see them here. And the new feature is save memory. You can use a special file name if you'd like, or it will create one by default. Hit enter. No file name is given. Use the default file FT817MEM. I could also create one, save memory test.mem. And this will create the same exact file called test.mem. If I exit out and take a look, I have two new files, FT817MEM and test.mem. They are identical. I'll show FT817.mem. And this has a format that I've created. The restore portion has not been created yet, but I have already written it down how I'm going to do it, and this is the values that I'm using. And each one of these is a active or inactive memory area, the number on the radio, that is, it has a valid format, and areas that have never been written to don't have the format bit set. It will disregard those. It's not going to back up junk, it's just going to back up valid ones. And this is the file that is created. Soon there'll be a load memory with a file name, or take a default argument to load this file. And on a radio that's been factory reset, you can immediately load in a couple of minutes all of the valid memory areas that you had saved and backed up.